forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.
Hey there, fellow adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of motorcycle racing in a futuristic cyberpunk city.
It's a thrilling ride, isn't it? The adrenaline rush, the rush of the wind, and the excitement of the city all.
Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycle racing.
This is a city that never sleeps, where the electric haze and neon lights create a dazzling backdrop.
Hey there, fellow East Asian adrenaline junkies. Today, we're going to take a thrilling ride through a neon-lit cyberpunk city at night.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Stay safe and keep exploring.
Today, we're taking you on a thrilling ride through a high-altitude mountain pass, where the Latin American male motorcyclist is...
This is a ride for the books, and we're so excited to share it with you.
So fasten your seatbelts and join us for this exhilarating ride through the heart of the Himalayas. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting adventures.
And if you're wondering how to find your way through this incredible landscape, our middle-aged African-American male rider is equipped with a...
Hey there, adventure seekers. Today, we're taking you on a thrilling ride through the stunning high-altitude mountain pass of Ladakh, India.
So, are you ready to join us on this icy adventure? If so, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting.
Hey there, adventure seekers! Today, an explorer is taking you on a thrilling ride through the icy tundra of a frozen lake. Buckle up!
Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling adventures.
But wait, there's more. As you navigate the icy path, the twilight sky above is filled with
Hey there, adventure seekers! Today, we're taking a thrilling ride through the frozen tundra of a breathtaking icy lake.
Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Until next time.